Hey guys, good morning, welcome to the live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HEMC Greece, compliant with ESMA. EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome to the live session with Stocksnipertrading, guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good morning so far. Current time is 7:30, all right? Hope everyone's having a good morning so far. Hopefully London was pretty good for you guys if you guys were trading it. It's pretty consolidated right now. Gold, oil, a lot of commodities had really good movements. The indices had just been in that consolidation. You've had nice opportunities to scalp on the lower time frames in and out of structure. But yeah, guys, I think we should just get past all this. Take a look at the news real quick here. You can see there's not much showing. All right, tomorrow's going to be a bigger day. And I think we should focus on our brokers, guys. Make sure to check out AAAFX, okay, and HankoTrade. They're both links are in the description box. Okay, there'll be a little bit of a pop-up going up on the stream, so you can take a peek at them as well. Our recommended liquidity provider right now is Bookmap. Okay, and a recommended prop firm right now is My Forex Funds. Okay, so guys, with that being said, you guys can see right off the bat here the news. Okay, you can check the description box for any questions. You can see it right here on gold. Okay, all right, we have gold now on the daily, kind of showing us where price is moving. This is a heavy buy trend. Okay, we had a nice little buy opportunity this morning coming off in the free Discord and the free Telegram, right, as well as our free members. We had about a 60 pip move on gold, and now we're going to watch and see what kind of moves we're actually going to continue with leading into New York. Okay, so guys, we're going to start with gold. All right, we're going to look at NASDAQ next, and then we're going to focus on maybe the Dow Jones a little bit closer to market open. All right, so let's begin, guys. Guys, first, right off the bat, how's everyone's morning going so far? Is everyone having a good morning? You guys can answer as I'm just doing some top downs here. Okay, daily resistance. Okay, and guys, it doesn't even need to be about trading. If you guys are having a good morning based on just having a good morning, that's a positive affirmation to start as well. Okay, so I have some nice daily support coming in here. And you can see the type of candle, guys, what kind of candle is this that's forming right here on the daily currently? Do you guys know what type of candle it is? I'm pretty sure you guys would. You guys have been trading for a little bit of a while. All right. So you guys can see that. Put it in the chat box. We'll go from there. Let's drop down to the 4 hour here. Take a peek, guys, on gold. Remember, we talked about the consolidation, scalping on lower time frames. Although this is 4 hour, you could have got in and out of these moves. Okay. If you were trading on, say, like 5 minutes, 1 minute, whatever it may be. Okay, sorry, guys. Doji, long-legged, absolutely, guys. So take a peek here. We're going to get some 4 hour support. Okay, and guys, remember, this is just my top down, right? Everyone has their own opinions on this. You'll go see millions of people saying this could not be 4 hour support. It might be 4 hour support. But again, if you want to follow along and get practicing doing top downs, it'll really help you with your overall strategy. Okay. So you got some 4 hour resistance here. If you go to the left, you can see right at the candle closes. All right, and we're just going to keep consolidating price. All right, so let's take a look at the hourly now. Okay, looking good. Just going to make the quick little updates here so we're all on the same page. Okay, gold looking good, solid. All right, do have some hourly resistance right at the top wick, and you can see the candle closes. All right, if we drag all this across, you can see it's once acting as resistance to the left, even on the 20th on Friday. Okay, so that'll be 1 hour resistance so far. Okay, you can see price tried to push up. Okay, very similar to this candle right here. Okay, push up, head fake, big FU candle, push back down, close below, and sell off. This one made a nice move up to almost 1930. Okay, now let's watch and see how this new half-hour candle is going to close. Basically 2 15 minutes almost, and then we're going to see that new hourly. All right. So I'm not really going to get too much hourly support here. I got the 4 hour looking good. You could probably squeeze in a little bit of support right underneath the candle if you wanted to. Okay, but let's just add it on here just to show you guys what I mean, and we break it down. I can show you how that consolidation will take a look on the lower time. Okay, it's not really having too much. You can see here. That's why I look at probably getting something on the 15-minute. All right, price of gold is still looking pretty strong so far. All right, so got some 15-minute support. Okay, and then my resistance level, guys, you can see right above the hourly, we have some nice resistance candle around 1928. Price is still looking pretty bullish here, so we'll put that as a 15-minute resistance. Okay, and then we'll take a look, guys, dropping down to the 5-minute. I'm not going to do too much. All right, I got some levels here that we can take a look at on gold. Okay, so this is pretty much what we're doing, guys. Okay, we have daily 4 hour, 15-minute, 5-minute that hasn't been placed there yet, but you can see that price is still looking decently bullish. All right, I'm going to mark up 2 key levels here on gold that kind of look for buy and sell. All right, so let's take a look here, and they're going to be marked as red. Got some buy 1922, 0.3. Okay, nice bullish move. Okay, so you can see price rejection here, close back, very similar to last week, guys. It was at 1922, 1923. Okay, you can see on the 23rd another bullish candle, pretty much at that 23 level. If you guys remember from last week, gold broke down, we started to get into a sell, and then we placed a buy at 1923, and it hit that actually probably twice, and then you can see as today it's also respecting that level. Okay, so we got one more coming in here. All right, and my gold sells 1934.85. That's gonna be a little higher. Okay, you can see right up in here. Oh, maybe that didn't even go. One sec, put that back. Sorry about that, guys. 1934.85. All right. So that's our range we're working in today. So far, you can see gold key selling level. Okay, and we're going to see how price is going to react, guys. This looks like possibly a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, all right, you can see shoulder here, two-headed beast, and then potential shoulder over here. If not, this thing is looking at a nice little continuation buying area. Okay, maybe with a retest coming back at 1925. Okay, anywhere around our 15-minute support. Okay, so we'll see how this next 20 minutes is going to close. All right, getting into our new 8 a.m. time. Okay, we're going to move actually the 15-minute up just here on the 5. Get that nice resistance area there. Okay. Okay, and let's take a peek, guys. If we still continue this thing, look at the volume candles here on the buys. Okay, it's looking pretty strong. Okay, once we break this hourly, okay, we can probably come back up to our 1929, 1930 area. So let's watch and see how price is going to move. Okay, we need a break here, retest, and then you're looking at your continuations. Okay, so gold is going. Let's see what we got going on here on Goldie. Okay, so you can see that gold is starting to push. Okay, we're coming to a little resistance area right up around this mark. There goes gold. Okay, making a nice move. Let's see on the retest candle here. About 3 minutes left. Okay, so let's watch and see how price is going to react. Going to set an alarm right here. And then go from there. Okay, we'll take a look at the DXY here real quick, guys. Look at how the Dow just gapped up price. Okay, there's a nice little window here. We did fill that wick at around 33,355. Okay, but look at this movement here. There is nothing to really trade here. Currently, it's looking nice and bullish just because of the overall trend from last week. And then same with NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ here coming in. We'll do a little bit of a top down shortly. But my main focus, guys, is going to be taking a look at this DXY. All right, look at that. We have a nice engulfing candlestick here starting to show at around 102.5. Okay, I don't really have much above here, so we're going to start to go based on whole numbers. Okay, I like this structure right down here. Okay, you can see 102.845. Okay, and you can see it was once acting as previous resistance. Okay, guys, Goldie is running about 5 pips in and out. Okay, and then you can see how we're looking at price coming in here once we zoom out just a little bit. Guys, talk about latency. That's why we have Zoom. If you guys want to jump into Zoom, it's not always going to be working in terms of high quality speed. Okay, but the Zoom members get it in live time. Okay, so you can see we're going to break and retest. I can see a nice support level starting to hold. Okay, at that 101, basically 930, 950 area, anywhere around in here. Okay, and you can see what we're going to be looking at right in here. Okay, so these are our 2 key levels, both bullish and bearish. So set these up here. Okay, guys, did anyone actually get in on that gold buy? I know it's right off the bat here. I'm running 6 pips in and out. Okay, so we're going to set both these key areas here. And then we're going to take a peek, slowly go back looking at gold. Look at GBP USD, guys. This thing is heavily sold off here. Okay, a lot of resistance coming in. I haven't really looked at GU so far this morning, but you can see it's kind of following gold. All right, so if we close above here, guys, we're looking for maybe a rise in price, maybe to get back to at least that 1.24. Okay, but it's still on a sell trend here. Okay, so keep this in mind. That pullback would be heavy. There's no real news today to push and get price back up in here, but we'll watch and see. That'll be a nice key level potentially on GBP USD. Okay, so let's watch. Just going to set some key levels here on GU, and we're going to see what range we're going to get into. I got one more right here. Okay. Mohammed, Michael, what's going on? Josh, what's going on, Yemi? Okay, guys, just checking. I'm pulling up some of the chats now. Let's go take a peek at gold real quick. Look at NASDAQ, big bullish movement. Dow, big bullish movement. Look at Goldie still pushing. Okay. Yemi, how you doing, man? Okay, so you can see gold retested that level exactly how we kind of mentioned here. Break, okay, retest. We're going to see if we're going to get some kind of a continuation here. Okay, so we'll just throw this on. See how price is going to react. And let's go take a real quick peek, guys. Take a look at NASDAQ here. All right, you can see big rejection coming in. All right, let's do a quick little top down on NASDAQ. All right, I don't want to spend too much time doing this. Okay, it's important to know your key levels, absolutely. All right, you can see nice resistance here coming in. Okay, nice support level we started to hold. I'm going to use actually the previous candle right here. And then we're going to get some daily support and resistance going on. Daily resistance, that'll be a wick. Okay, we got some daily support structure. Okay, 1 second here. Perfect. Okay, guys, so if we do break above here, the daily resistance, I have another key level. Okay, it's not a key level, but it's around that 11,800, so we'll mark that up. Make sure we understand where price has a nice little impact. Okay, so let's drop down to 4 hour now. Okay, you can see what we're looking at here. Big bullish breaks. Okay, big move here, guys. That was last week. All right, have some nice support here on the 4 hour. Okay, and we're taking a peek and looking at a resistance here to the left. We're gonna use that wick. Multiple wicks, rejection, so you have one here at around 11,640. Okay, so we got our 4 hour resistance here. Okay, and you can see prices just made a full retracement. All right, so this is gathering a lot of strength here. Okay, look at those two bullish candles, guys. That's a lot of momentum here. Okay, we're talking from 11,320 support all the way up to 11,639. So that's a 300 pip move. Okay, that's no joke. Okay, a full retracement generally happens. Okay, when price wants to continue on the upside, but we'll watch and see how this is going to react on the lower time frame. Okay. All right, so we have some resistance here coming in. Okay, right on the hourly, based on that top wick. Okay, and then we're going to take a peek looking at our 15-minute. Right now, guys, everything is looking bullish. There is a little bit of a window here on NASDAQ. All right. So we're going to watch and see. You can see price try to make it up here a few times. A little bit of rejection. All right, so we can mark this up. You can see right there, that would be some resistance, some supply. Okay, but again, a lot of momentum here. I'm looking for this window to possibly be filled. Okay. But this is too much, guys. Look at how choppy this is. Okay, this is way too much in terms of resistance and support. It's just consolidation. The big move was the buy coming off of that 11,591. Okay, so let's get some wick here, some body close. All right, have some 15-minute closure. Okay, and we're going to take a look at our support level on the 15. Okay, you can see there's a nice wick level here. All right, in terms of resistance, and the support is starting to build. It hasn't built it yet, guys, so I'm going to probably gather the bottom of the current gapping window candle. Okay, use that as some support. Okay, and we'll take a look, guys, at our 5 here coming in. Okay, so you can see right across the bat the hourly's resistance, 15. Okay, and let's take a look at NASDAQ here. What do we have on NAS? 11613.4. We'll take a look at this number real quick. 11613.4. Okay, so let's watch and see price, how we're going to get based on this level right here. So you see how it broke up. Okay, this is a key level on NASDAQ. It was once key selling level. Price dipped off here, sell. Rejection here, sell. Okay, here, sell. But you can see price has moved up here a couple times, shot through it. And you can see every time it's coming right back here. Look at the resistance. Okay, and then same with this. You can see, okay, price pushed. Nice resistance level. So we're going to watch price once we get right back down to that key red line. Okay, so we're going to mark this up as a key level. And this is on higher time frame, guys. Okay, so 5-minute. Let's watch and see price. Okay, add some alarm here. Now we're going to mark this a little closer. Okay. So guys, as you can see, that was key selling levels, but again, we want to see if this is going to continue in the same kind of trend, all right, where you can see that highs in terms of 11,636. Okay, and around in here, we've had selling area stepping in. Okay, and then right below, guys, you can see here that around that 11,519. Sorry, 11,591, my pod. You can see there's been a lot of buying area. Okay, and this is just going based on what the chart is showing us. Okay, in and out of the zone. And we're going to watch and see if price is going to break down here, and then we're going to see if it's going to fill this gap. Okay, let's watch. Break, close. We're going to see if it's going to fill, and then get right back to our overall demand. About 16 seconds left, guys. And guys, we're going to come into our 8 a.m. time frame, so watch and see that new hourly switchover. These have key market movements here. There's a lot of volume stepping in. All right. And you can see here now we're building a little bit of support so far. Just right before that 4-minute candle close. So let's see and watch how NASDAQ is going to move. Okay, one sec, guys. Okay, guys, so we're going to focus on here, closing below. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so we're right here, guys. Like, this is coming to a critical level, NASDAQ, okay? This would be generally a sell level. Okay, let's just watch and see how price is going to react on that new hourly change. Okay, that's the main thing I'm focusing on here. All time frames, okay, leading into this hourly change up will be really important. Okay, and then we're going to focus on from 8 until 9. Watch your spreads and commissions, not commissions, guys, but watch your spreads right now. They're probably going to fluctuate. As we know, we're not looking for anything until that hourly switch. Okay, if you guys have been trading with me for a little bit, that's the main focus. So let's see how this is going to drop. Okay, I'm watching that 15-minute support right below it, and we got about 2 minutes left. Okay. Oh, guys, I forgot about gold here. Let me check it out. So gold probably made a retest here, break, retesting overall trend. Okay, there we go. So it's retesting that hourly, exactly how we kind of put it. Break, retesting. Okay, so it's retesting here, following very similar to what the arrow is showing. Now we got to see if it's going to hold up. This hourly is going to be very important for us. Okay, so if you didn't get in it or you bought up here, that's not the entry, guys. Hourly break. Okay, and you can see you're hovering right around break even now. If you guys don't feel comfortable changing and holding past the hourly, look to get out. All right. So you can see here retesting heavy, nice supply coming into it at around 1928. Didn't even tap just yet. Didn't get near making a higher high. And you can see here that we're still retesting that overall entry. Okay. So we'll focus on NASDAQ too. I really want to see what's going to happen with NASDAQ at a pretty critical level. If NAS holds here, guys, this can be the level that we find some support. Okay. And price can walk back up to about, probably even into that supply zone again. Okay. If not, it's going to make a full break. We're going to watch the retest. Okay, it's forming a doji candle right now, guys, which is indecision leading into that hourly change up. Okay, so that's one thing we need to remember. Okay. In about 30 seconds here, we're going to watch and see. Okay, so we talk about here is the support coming in. Okay, and hourly is coming in about 5 seconds. Let's watch and see, guys. Let's wait and see the first 5 minutes and see how everything is going to react. Okay, so let's see how they gapped it up. Let's watch price. Okay, so here we go. See, they're finding that support. Okay, watch and see. We need a closure below. All right, and if we're going to go bullish, guys, we need to hold this level down here. Okay, that's the key. You can see resistance here, here, and we did make a nice little bullish move here. So we need to hold here if we're going to start to make our way back to the upside. If we break down below, okay, price can maybe get back down in here, and then we can have our next big slingshot move, sending price back into the supply zone. All right. So remember, critical hold. Everything is going to probably retest. Let's watch and see here how price is going to move. So remember, key, watch and see the retest, see if we're going to get back pushing to the upside. All right, so nothing closed below. That's why you watch the first hourly. And here we go. Okay, perfect. Just about 3 minutes and under 30 seconds left. Okay. So let's take a look at the DXY right now too, guys. You can see GU, a little bit of resistance here. Okay. And you can see that the DXY made a nice little bounce at our support level. So this is good. We can mark this up as a key level support and a key level resistance so far. Short-term pull. There goes GBP USD. Let's watch and see here. Okay, let's take a look at GU on the 4-hour real quick, guys. Take a look. Okay, look at this 4-hour candle. Okay, big bullish momentum here. Retracement, still holding a trend. Okay, from the bottom, you can see we're still working our way up. All right, so the 4-hour wick, guys, if this thing pushes right back down, we can fill back down to 235. Okay, 235. All right, so this might be a little bit of a head fake, and then we might get our wick pushing back down. Okay, so this is a critical range for GBP USD. All right. What the heck? Sorry, guys, one sec. There we go. Okay, so watch GBP USD. Rejection here. German 30 is pushing. NASDAQ is still holding strong. Okay. Dow is holding strong. You can see gold is still holding on the retest. Okay. It's not getting any higher highs yet. We need to break above the previous structure at 1920, almost 1927. You can see they're starting to build that resistance, but also build the support. Okay. Let's take a peek also at our moving averages, guys. We haven't really looked. Guys, has anyone watched the Bitcoin rally lately? Anyone in being a part of that? That anyone has been trading Ethereum, Bitcoin, all crypto, guys, has been pumping lately. There goes gold, guys. Let's see if we can get that break making a new higher high. Okay, there's below the 9. And we're right at that 200. Okay, so this is why we're gaining that support. We're right around that 209 EMA. So guys, again, if you're back in from 1926.5, we're at 1927.5. Your spreading commission might take around 2-3 pips away, so you may be running about 5-6 pips. Okay, so just watch and see how price is going to get. I want to see it tap that 27 level, and sorry, 28.2, which is the previous resistance here. Okay, NASDAQ is making a high. Okay, right now we'll go back and check out Nasty. Here's the new candle open up, guys. This is now the first 5-minute open. Okay, so watch your, yeah, guys, that's what I said, Lance, watch your spreads. Okay, this is no joke right now. All right, so nothing closed. We're not making any higher highs here just yet. We're going to see how price is going to react. It's too much consolidation. I could see price maybe retesting one more time and see how price is actually going to move maybe around 8:15. Okay, so let's watch and see the DXY here. DXY is pushing the Dow hard. You can see NASDAQ is right above it, so nothing closed below. So here we go, guys. We're at a critical sell level. Okay, it was once happening multiple times to the left. You can see. Okay, so if we break above here, guys, this is going to make a new high. All right, and that's a big breakout waiting to happen. If we do not close, okay, if we do not close below below the 9 EMA, this thing is going to still hold bullish, and we're going to still walk our way up. If you look at the 4-hour coming, okay, take a peek here. Remember, the trend is very bullish. We just almost made a little bit of a cup and handle here. Here's the cup. We're going to see how price is going to move. We have that long wick coming up to that 11,680. Okay. Again, we have to just watch price. Okay, so let's drop back down to the 5. And I'm just going to erase this right here. Okay, we're going to leave it alone, and same with my overall 15-minute. Okay. So let's see here. One 11625. Okay, 0.3. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. Okay, so that is another key level here, just updated. Guys, what are your spreads right now in the indices? Gold is retracing back down. Okay, let's watch and see if we're going to get a break below here. And it's right out of supply. So see how key level resistance, okay, is acting as now support. So they tried to push here, rejected, held along the 9, and now they're respecting that overall general area. Okay, that's 11,625. So we're right at about a spin top candle here, which is showing indecision. Okay, so I want to see what's going to happen. I want to see if we're going to tap that 9 EMA. Okay, so support level is held. Okay, everything is starting to walk. So if we can get this breakout here, guys, look at here, there we go. So if this breaks, price can start to rise. Okay, and if we break here, look at the 15-minute. We have that nice big long wick. Okay, look to the left. See that wick structure here. You could fill it, and then if that would be the daily, guys. That's the higher time frame spread, or sorry, higher time frame candle here. So this thing, I'm not really looking just yet, but that would be a nice move. Okay, for the overall continuations. I want to see this minute close. Okay. Yeah, gold is hovering around, guys. You can see it's just following suit. Rate retesting that 200 EMA. All right, so you can see here they're forming a little bit of consolidation now. All right, it was a nice move. Okay, and then you can see a lot of resistance here. I'm just going to move this over for 1 second, guys. Okay, price right now, you can see we've made a close below this previous structure. This structure right here has made a close below this previous structure. And now the current structure that they're testing is closing below all previous 3. Okay, so they might push this back down for again on a retest, or we're going to see if we're going to hold the 9 EMA and start to push and test that 1928 level, which is above this structure. Okay. So NASDAQ, there we go, a little bit of impulse move. You can see German 30 is just tight. You can see GU, guys, is still forming the rejection here. Okay. And now let's just watch and see. You don't really need to put a trend, guys. You can use EMAs, whatever it may be. It's a floating support and resistance, but that's just showing you we are starting to form a little bit of a trend. If this thing sinks off, okay, we're coming right back down to that 235 mark. Okay, so we're starting to close a little bit below now. All right, let's watch and see GU in the next maybe 15 minutes. All right. Okay, so we got about 7 minutes and 10 seconds here. Okay, so gold is testing again that 200 EMA, guys. You can see it's right there. So like I said, if we're not going to break above, I told you a few times, close around in here on profit. If you guys were in it, maybe 2-3 pips. Let's watch and see price on gold. It's holding the support of the 209 EMA right now, okay? But we're not getting any volume. There's no volume here pushing, okay? There's no news. Remember that we talked about it from the beginning here. Just for the people who are starting to join now, all right, this is what we're trading today, guys. There's little to no news coming in. Okay, so when that happens, generally 8:30 is the time that I like to watch on gold. Okay, so it'll be probably another 20 minutes to see how price is going to move. Okay, again, not saying it's not going to move now, but this has a lot of opportunity to retrace, come back down. Okay, if we break those moving averages, we're definitely coming back down. Just because there's no closure above, there's no retest, and this candle right here is showing us buyers took control, heavy sellers here, candle opened up, and then we're filling that bottom wick. Okay, so this now would have the power to break through our moving averages, and you're right at around break even, guys. Okay, so US 30, NASDAQ, or the indices are going to go bullish if gold is going bearish. Okay, and if that's the case, guys, we can flip over in these sells, no problem. Okay, no problem here. So let's watch and see how price is going to react. Nothing closing above. Let's watch and see NASDAQ now. There goes Dow, there goes NASDAQ. Let's see if we can get that break. Okay, so let's take a peek real quick on the 15. Okay, so remember we talked about this. I'm just trying to find any key structure in between that wick. If we look to the left. Okay, got one wick right here. And that's the big bearish sell-off. Okay, perfect. Okay, still going to watch this candle close, guys. These are our TPs on bullish direction here. If we do break this structure, okay, they're holding nice support. So 55 seconds left. Here we go, guys. Let's see here if we can break this supply. If we break supply, it's pumping. Okay, there's a little still rejection here, so let's watch and see. This will be the move coming in, pushing price to the upside. Okay, so let's watch and see if that bullish move is going to continue. Okay, if not, we're going to hold the supply area and start to sell off. So we got about about 30 seconds left, guys. Okay, so here we go, guys. You can see NASDAQ here, rejection coming in supply. Okay, and you can see the buyers are still there. Look at that. Okay, so here it goes. Let's see if we can get a close. Okay, GU breaking down here. Remember, we talked about this, the retest. Let's watch and see how we're going to react coming on GBP USD. It's looking pretty bearish right now. Overall sell trend. Remember, we looked at this on the higher time frame on the 4 hour. Okay, and they were just starting to fill that 4 hour again. Okay. So let's watch and see how GU is going to close based on this first 15-minute candle open. Okay. Let's watch and see. Oops, sorry, wrong one, guys. Not demand. This should be not this. Okay, DXY, guys, holding in still some consolidation. Nothing has broke out of that movement just yet. Okay. So GU's dumping down here. All right. NASDAQ is still attempting to break. A little bit of resistance. Let's watch and see if this trend is going to continue. Okay. Remember, 11660 is going to be the bullish target. Okay. And then 11680 is going to be the continued wick fill for that daily target. Okay. There it goes. Okay. Perfect. Let's see the wick candle now. All right. 2 minutes here. We want to see this candle open up and retest the level. All right. We're not going to look at oil today, guys. We're just going to stick on some 3 here. I don't want to keep changing everything up. Okay, in 2 minutes here, guys, we're going to watch this retest candle. German 30 starting to break out. Dow breaking out huge. Okay. So we're going to see if we're going to start to follow here. Let's see what we got going on in the Dow real quick here. Got a key level here, 3353.5. Perfect. One, two, 3, 5, 3.5. Okay, so holding there, nice support. All right, NASDAQ is pushing. There we go. Guys, I'm running about 10, not 10 pips, about 5 pips on NASDAQ. Sorry, oh guys, I'm going the wrong way, my bad. And we're still rising here, okay? So the break, key structure, looking to tap. There we go. Let's see if we can get that continuation. Now, guys, just watch and see how they open this candle, because they might open this and drop it right back down. All right. Just keep that in mind. The drop down will be the retest. If not, this thing's just going to fly. I'm running now 6 pips. Keep running it out, guys. $60. I'm happy with this. And we're still pushing here. Okay. Okay, guys, gold did not hold support so far. You can see we're opening up here, going in a little bit of that bearish direction. I want to see this candle open right now. See if we're going to retest the overall once previous supply. Gold picked up a wick here, guys. I'm still holding gold. We're going to see how it's going to move. I'm fluctuating between in and out 10 to 50 bucks in and out of here with this buy candle. Okay. And there goes NASDAQ, guys. Beautiful. There we go. Oh, guys, yes, let's see gold. Oh my God. Let's go, guys. That's got to make a high here. Let's see if we're going to break. NASDAQ and gold, guys. They're both pushing. I'm in gold for about 5 pips, guys, 50 bucks. I'm very happy with that personally. I'm going to take that. I don't need much more. Okay, NASDAQ is still running. Move your stop loss to break even, guys. If you guys are on NASDAQ, okay, I'm still running about 8 pips now. Okay, I'm happy with 8 pips personally, guys. I don't need to mess around with this. Even if this does go continue, I'm good. So I'm going to secure both NASDAQ and gold. Okay, so let's watch and see. Move your stop loss to break even, guys, if you want. I just don't have time to manage both this. Okay, so remember, here's the candle we talked about. Watch on the retest. Okay. Watch the retest here, guys. All right. The Dow here is getting rejected. You can see gold had a nice little push down too. So we made a high, a big rejection right now, guys. It's two. Gold is at one of those iffy spots. I know you don't like the word iffy, but you can see with the moving averages, we're just consolidating even the moving averages. So you can see now there's the close below. Okay. Close when you can, guys. Look at that big FU candle here. We're still holding support, but again, that big wick gabbed a lot of liquidity, pushing back down. All right, so you can see we're now still holding that support at that 1926 level. Okay. So monitor gold, guys. I'm out. Watch NASDAQ. I want to see the retest coming in. Okay. Just so you guys know, I did close on that candle. I'm going to mark that up for you guys just so you can be aware. Let's take a look at GBP USD, guys. German 30, a little bit of rejection here. You can see GU's breaking, okay, and then getting rejection coming at that 23650. Okay, so we're still in that range on GBP USD, guys. Nothing happening here. All right, let's manage this and watch this NASDAQ trade. Okay, so remember we talked about this. If you guys remember, we talked about breaking out here. Watch the big push. Okay, made a high. Watch the retest. Okay, retest previous level structure, which was once resistance here. Okay, resistance here. We finally broke, so watch and see, and we're going to see if we're going to get our continuation to the upside. Guys, if you want oil, I'm sure there's someone else who does oil live. I don't really know too many people, but we're going to leave that one alone for now. Okay. Okay, guys, 2 seconds here. I got to go let my dog out. Watch the retest on this. Okay, we're going to hit a goal target for the overall 11660. Okay, that's going to be our target, but watch the retest happen right now. All right. Okay, guys, so you can see a little bit of indecision candle here. So just monitor price. Okay, we're still above. Let's see everything else now. We need to break, guys, to continue this wick right here. Okay, I'm going to move that over. This is the wick. If we're going to continue, we need to break. If not, this thing is going to close below right here at the resistance. Okay, so let's watch. US 30 is holding. You can see there goes gold. Okay, gold starts to push again, guys. I will enter in again. Okay, let's just watch and see. This looks like a flag pattern here. If not, we're going to get heavy resistance coming in, and price is going to push right back down. But this is too much consolidation. That's why I exited the first time round. Okay, so let's go take a peek at that DXY real quick. There goes NASDAQ. Let's see if we can break that high. Okay, GU getting ready. Okay, look at also the DXY, guys. Nothing really happening here. We're still in that tight range. All right. So 8:30 is coming in, guys. This is where the time, generally a lot of news gets dropped here. Okay. So watch GBP USD. Okay. We're going to have price coming up level if we can break this structure here. Getting a nice demand level support. Okay. So let's see on GBP USD. And then there's NASDAQ closing below here, okay? So remember we talked about that wick? Okay. Fuck, guys, sorry about that. Here's that wick structure, okay? Getting resisted at that 11650, okay? Pushing back down, probably going to retest again. I'm still going to watch these key levels, rate and supply, because this could act as now a demand zone, all right? So watch both coming in here. There it goes. There's divergence here spotted on the 5-minute, guys, if you look at the overall structure of this. Okay, so this is probably going to come right back down to entry. And here we go, okay? Okay, so watch and see. If we go back into supply, guys, now we're right at break even again, okay? So that was a nice potential move, breaking over supply here for maybe about 15 pips, 13, 14, if you got in around, okay? This area right here is where I'm looking for a sell breakdown, okay? Right around in here. That's where I'm looking for a sell breakdown right there at 11625, okay? So let's see gold too. US 30 is dipping down. Look at gold as well. Nice resistance level. Nothing breaking above. So we know now, after building this, it's 830 is coming in. Okay. See right here, nice level rejection. Let's watch and see 830. Okay, so we're in supply. Nothing breaking down here. There it goes. There it goes, guys, okay? Key levels right here. All right, if we start to break down below, gold can come back right down to our 1922. Okay, there it goes. And we're not even at 8:30 yet, about 8 seconds left. And NASDAQ is following the same thing. Okay, so if we break 15-minute here, guys, this thing is going to sell even further. Okay. So here we go, long volume base candle. Here's 8:30 now, guys. Okay. Okay, and let's watch NASDAQ as well. The Dow pulling down. Look at NASDAQ, okay? So selling in here, nothing following suit. So right here, guys, is my key level sell. Okay, at that 11625. So let's just move that over so you guys can see here. Not going to crowd this. We've got about 4 minutes left. Okay, so if this holds, let's see if we can make potential new 4-hour resistance break. Let's see Goldie here. Gold is not dumping just yet, guys. Gold is not dumping just yet. Okay, so about 3 minutes, guys. You can see that 8:30 time was the key level. So if we start to prime up in testing those moving averages again, that'll be the retest. Guys, yeah, I'm just checking the chats now here. In terms of silver, we don't really do silver too much. We were doing it beforehand, but no one was really trading it. Okay, no one was really trading silver, so that's why we kind of called it off. There goes gold, guys. Okay, so remember we talked about breaking the 15-minute. Let's see if we can get that push right back down to our 1923. And same with NASDAQ here. Testing that 9 EMA again. German 30. There's GU rejection one more time in that range. Guys, how many people trade silver here personally? Guys, this NASDAQ looks pretty good. Remember the key level here? We're going to watch and see price. That was the impulsive move. We're going to watch right at this level coming in. Okay, I'm just going to remove the supply so we can be aware what's going to happen here coming in on the first candle close. Okay, that's going to be my short position down there, guys, personally. Okay. And then Goldie, we're still selling off. There we go, guys. So remember I told you break of that 15-minute. As soon as we break this level here, coming right back down. So if you guys caught any of it, watch and see the price. Okay, so this is where I mentioned to you. Watch and see it coming back down there. I'm not going to keep this on here, guys, but that is the overall trend we're looking for. Continuating down to our 22.3. But look at the level that we're holding up here. Okay. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Okay. So it'll be really interesting at this current time when this candle closes. A lot of people trade silver. Okay, guys. Well, silver easily commodity to it's not an easy to trade, but it just has high spreads for a lot of people. That's what they complain about. Okay, so watch here. And we're still selling off, guys. Okay, let's watch this candle close. NASDAQ is still breaking down as well. No one trades silver. Some people do, guys. I think a lot of people from UK do. Okay, so remember, right down in here. And let's see NASDAQ, guys. Okay, I'm watching NASDAQ more than gold right now. I'm going to see here how price is going to move. Okay, so here's the support. Nothing closed below. Watch the 9 EMA retest, guys. Okay, I like the range that we're pushing in right now. Okay, nice support, nice resistance we have two possible entry points for NASDAQ. We got the sell below 11,625, and we have buys above 11,640. Okay, let's take a peek at gold real sec too. Dow holding, Goldie trying to break down as well. Silver has too much volatility. I think volatility, high spreads is not something a lot of people want to be a part of. Okay, so see gold finding some of that buying momentum coming in off of that 22.3. Let's go take a look at that DXY here, guys. So see both bullish on indices, okay, pullback, and you can see both German 30 broke down, and you can see GU's right back down to where it once started at that 235. Okay, this is what I want to see right here. So if we break here, guys, like I said, we're making a high to 102.1. Okay, which should push the price of gold back down. Okay, indices, we'll watch and see how these react based on this movement as well. Okay. And there goes gold, guys. Perfect. Okay, so just tapped here, guys. So if you guys were in on gold, gonna mark that short there. That was the break. So watch and see here. If you guys were in, move your stop to break. Okay, I didn't take that. Okay, but it was a beautiful sell here. I'm waiting for NASDAQ. We're gonna see how price is gonna react based on NAS. So watch and see here. We're gonna look at this level down here for gold, and we're going to erase some of this shit right up here. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so we're coming to that 1921, and we're still dropping down here, guys. Okay, GU should be following suit very soon. Okay, NASDAQ held, nothing closed below. All right, so it looks like we can maybe make a new high here. There it goes. Look at that big volume candle coming through our previous once buying level that happened 3 times. Okay, large volume base. Okay, right into our demand level, which this thing can fall even further if we break through this. Okay. Okay, and here we go. Okay, here we go, guys. Big sell-off coming in. Look at that big drop, guys. Okay, so here we go. Remember we talked about here, rate is the key level, 1919. All right, this thing is heavy sell pressure, guys. Okay, so we tried to break. Look at the resistance that they were building. You had multiple opportunities to get out. I mentioned breaking below 15, continuing. Okay, this thing is looking nice, guys. I'm looking for potential opportunities right now to come out of this trade. Okay, for real. Like, I'm looking for price to find a little bit of a bounce here. Okay, we'll watch and see. NASDAQ is also slowly making a move here. The Dow selling off, NASDAQ, a little rejection. Okay, watch both here. Nothing closing below. All right, we're right in that midpoint. Okay, guys, I took a buy coming out of that demand. We're going to see how price is going to move. Right at the wick here. Okay. If you guys didn't get it, just sit back and relax. Okay, so you can see here, my buy is running about 10 pips right now. Okay, there it goes. And I'm going to exit out of that bad boy. There's a lot of sell pressure coming in here. Oh, there we go. I got in from, guys, 1920. Okay, did anyone else get into any buys here? I know people maybe not have. Maybe we're a little bit scared to enter in some of these. It's a quick bounce out of demand. Okay, previous level structure. You can see what's starting to happen here. Okay, so don't get greedy. Big sell pressures lead to big potential moves coming in off of the move. Sorry, off of the decline here. So guys, I running 15 pips. Okay, bouncing out right here. This is going to be confusing as hell. Okay, because I mentioned the sells coming in. All right, and now the buying at demand. Okay, so running 16 pips here. Let's see how price is going to react. 1922 is the resistance level, okay? Okay, guys, I just shared this in the Free FX group if you want to see. I want to drop that link in the group so you guys can take a peek at this. I'm going to secure this. Not really going to mess around anymore. All right. And I'm securing 18 pips is 180 bucks. That's more than enough for me. I'm out. Okay. And that came to me, guys. I didn't wait for it. I didn't chase sells. Okay. A lot of people were chasing sells here. Okay. And there's nothing wrong with that. Again, if you got in from this range up here, if you caught that candle, it was nice. Okay, you're talking about it 1922 to 1919, maybe a 30, 40 pip, 30 pip candle. This was the better entry though. Okay, this buy was the better entry. Why? Look at the demand zone coming here. Okay, now if we don't break above 1922, this thing can act as a resistance. Okay, and push price right back down. But right now you can see what's actually happening here. Okay, so I'm going to remove that sell just because we want to watch the buys instead. All right. And let's take a look at GBP USD. I want to see if GU is breaking a bank as well. NASDAQ, nothing closing below. It's still indecision right now. Okay, and you can see what happened. Guys, look at GU. Look at this. Okay, so GU made a break and retest, so nothing closing above. We're still in that range. Finally broke down 400 is a support level that we're starting to find. Okay, I'd rather wait an hour to get one trade than to enter in 5 or 6 shitty trades and try to make up for it personally. That's just my thought process on this. I hope you guys kind of follow suit, you know. And if you don't, guys, and you're still chasing trades, just see how simple it was. The demand level was there. We got into buys. I shared it with you guys, and I exit for 20, almost 20 pips. Okay. Hi, Dave. For ease beginners, is demand zone buys and supply zone sells? Yes. Again, but you got to measure volume leading into this. Okay. You got to measure volume leading into the levels with key supply, like right here. Okay. Like I had a buy level here. I exited with 5 pips on It was right around these candles right in here before it closed. If you didn't, you can see the heavy resistance level that happened. Okay, price pushed down. I did say if we closed below that 15-minute, you could have got to sell. That sell was sexy, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. Like, that thing was very nice. So for all the guys calling it, beautiful move. Okay, I mentioned if it closed below the 15, which was the cross of the 9, okay, that trade down there, you're looking at maybe about 40, 50 pips. Okay, again, this was the impulsive candle you caught buying out of demand. And you can see that that was the one that I took rather than chasing the sell. Okay, so just monitor both these accordingly, guys. You can see NASDAQ is right at the critical point. Let's watch and see how price is going to react. And let's take one more peek at GBP USD. Still selling off, guys. Okay, and you can see, there we go. Nice big move coming up here, guys. 102.15 is what we're making to the bullish target's almost going to be tapped. Okay, so let's watch and see NASDAQ here. Okay, I took a small NASDAQ sell, small, okay? Small, all right? Indices are still bullish right now, but you can see what's happening right here, okay? Tristan, yeah, bro, it's on YouTube, man. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm running seven and 8, between 6 and 7 pips on NASDAQ, okay? Watch the gap fill real quick, okay? You can see that's where the target is pushed to, all right? Watch and see what happens at that gap. If you guys are happy with, some of this, just watch and see how price is going to react coming in off this candle close. If you guys didn't get in it, don't be chasing now. Okay, watch and see how this is going to turn out. Remember, do not chase any of these trades. Let trades come to us. Okay, look at US 30 coming in. All right, look at gold pushing right back down. Okay, so remember I told you on gold, that's why I secured quick times. Okay, look at gold. This thing is selling. Heavy, heavy volume sell pressure here, guys. Demand, break, and you can see we're right back down here. Okay, so let's watch and see on the retest how price is going to react. All right, if this thing drops here, guys, we're coming back down to at least 1915. All right, so let's watch and see here. This is going to be about 10 minutes leading into the new hourly. All right, 10 minutes leading into the new hourly. So if you guys are not comfortable, don't be trading. Don't do anything like this. Okay, let's watch and see that new hourly change up. Okay, I do mention this all the time on the calls. Okay, always watch for that hourly. Okay, guys, look at that. Let's see if we can get a big break above here. That buying area, 1922. Let's see if this can continue. NASDAQ, I'm still running about 5 pips. Okay, it's still looking good. Monitor this trade accordingly. Let's see about on gold here. Okay, I like this buying opportunity here on gold, guys. As much as this 90 MA could actually reject it, I want to see if we're going to come up and tap this real quick. Okay, but this does look like a new nice buying opportunity. NASDAQ, you can see it's dropping down. Okay, we got to break that wick. Okay, so see they're picking up volume here. Got about 7 minutes left. Okay, just under 7 minutes. So here, like I said, if you didn't get in, let's watch and see the retest. Let's see. There goes gold, guys. Guys, because it's the new hourly, I'm running 30 bucks on NASDAQ sell. I'm going to secure this just because I don't want to be part of that new hourly volume. So I'm going to exit out. Okay. And we're going to watch and see how price is going to move. Gold can break down more if we tap that 9 and push. NASDAQ is still finding some volume support here. You can see the Dow is finding it. Look at NASDAQ where here's the retest. Okay. Nothing breaking down. Continuing, you can see it's just a retest looking like a head and shoulder, but again, here it goes, and there's still 2 minutes left coming in. Okay. And I want to see this DXY real quick. GU sells. Okay, and we got some push here. So 102, 200, guys, if that taps, you can see gold probably breaking out. There it goes. Let's see. Watch your spreads, guys. Okay, you can see NASDAQ still holding right around there. You can see the Dow is still holding. Okay, gold is ready to pop. This looks pretty nice, guys. Not gonna lie to you. Okay, let's this 9 EMA. We just got to see if we can tap here first. All right. Here's the new candle opening up in 1 minute. Okay, so see the volume you get right on that new hourly swap. Gold is still finding that nice volume here. Okay, so this is 5 minutes, guys. Okay, 5 minutes. I am not in anything. NASDAQ still. Oh, there goes NASDAQ. Let's see. There it goes. Let's see if we can get that break. Need to break here. Okay, there it goes. Let's see if we can get that follow. and there's gold. Okay. So look at gold, still consolidation. See how it gets to nice ranges here? And it consolidates before its next big move. This is the same thing it's doing right now. If we don't break above 22.3, guys, this is the level that they're going to have heavy sells on. Okay, you can see one rejection here, 2, 3, and then finally the fourth is actually starting to close below. Okay, so if we make a new low below here, guys, this thing is going to drop. Personally, I'm not looking to really sell gold too much further. All right, I do think this is going to buy, but we'll watch and see coming in on that new 4-hour hourly change up. Okay. Okay, so we got about just 2 minutes and 48 seconds here. Let's see on Goldie. Okay, it's still slow, about 2 minutes left. Okay, and guys, gold looks pretty good right now. Let's see if we can get that hourly switch. Guys, remember, if you're buying, watch your spreads. That's where the price you're going to get filled at. Okay, if we close above that 9 EMA, I will take buys on gold. Okay, just feeler lot size to see how it's going to go. And here we come, guys. Just about a minute and 15 left. Okay, and here we go, just under a minute left, guys. Let's see that DXY coming in. Gold, NASDAQ, you can see, oh, NASDAQ found some support, guys. Still testing the overall supply, so still hold this. It's right at the 9. All right, so let it do its thing here. This is all happening to deal with the 4-hour change up, okay? New hourly, so it's looking pretty good. Let's see if there's any divergence on GU, guys. Yes, there is divergence on GBP USD. Okay, so like I said, remember that 4-hour wick got filled, okay? So watch and see this overall range, see if we're going to get pushed back right in here, okay? Still below that 9 EMA. Doing its thing. Here we go, guys. Let's see that new hourly swap. So we just tapped right near, okay, guys, right near that bullish target on the DXY, okay? So you can see a little bit of engulfing candlestick. Price had nice movement. So let's watch and see if they're going to retrace this back to the 9 and have its next big move there. So this is what we're watching for, guys. Okay, this is now 9 o'clock. We're coming in till 9:30. All right, 9:30 is the key time that we want to watch and see price. All right, for the New York Stock Exchange. All right. So don't be in any trades right now. You can see German 30 bullish, bearish, NASDAQ bearish. Okay, rejected off that 9 EMA. Okay, if you guys had your stop loss at break even, you guys can see probably would have got stopped out. But look at this type of candle that it's showing you. It's high wick and the high top wick, and then we have a high bottom wick as well. Okay, still look for the break of this structure right here, that 11620, to have its overall continuation. If we start to hold here, okay, price is going to start building its base, and we're going to start to walk back up. All right, but for right now, you can still see it is in that bearish direction so far. So let's take a peek at the Dow. It's trying to pull a flag as well. You can see gold is testing up some buys. Okay. Okay, guys, I entered in on gold at 1922.71. Okay, and remember my HankoTrade is a little bit different, so I'm currently running 6 pips. If you guys didn't get anything on gold buys, just watch and see and wait for New York stock open. Okay. Okay, 7, 8, 9. Let's see. There goes 10 pips, guys. And I am securing at 10 pips. It's my goal all the time. In and out. Guys, did anyone get in on gold again? Just if you didn't, that's okay. Some people may have waited. Okay. Watch and see this close here. We got 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And let's go take a look at everything else here. NASDAQ is holding. You can see right at that level here, just dancing. Okay, so we know that this is a key level, guys. You can see it right off the bat. Price is pushing and pulling. Okay, nothing really happening in terms of follow through just yet. You know, we're in bullish direction right here. Okay, you can see it looks like potentially a head and shoulder if you guys follow what that pattern is. Okay, but watch and see coming in on that now 9:30 time is our main focus. Okay, and let's see GBP USD still getting some rejection here, guys. And we're just about to tap, okay, that 102.200 on the DXY. Right now. Okay, guys, perfect. So there goes DXY, just smashed bullish target. We're back at 102.200. Guys, smash the like button. Okay, yeah, guys, I always forget to ask this. Guys, if you guys are watching the stream, just smash the like button for me here. Let's try to get 500 right away. Okay, still continuing the bullish trend. Let's see watching gold or how this is going to correlate. You can see GU sold off. Okay, gold should probably selling off. German 30 dumped. You can see NASDAQ is getting that test of the downtrend again. Okay, still at hovering around that entry. All right. You can see the Dow is not following suit. You can see gold had a big FU candle. Okay. And this is the importance of waiting for your first 5 minutes. Look at that big push, retesting the overall resistance structure. Okay. And we're pushing right back down now, coming into our daily. All right. That's a big FU candle there, guys. So you can see why I exit when I exit with 10 pips. 10 pips, how important that is. Okay. And look and see, look at this, guys, pushing right back down, closing below 22.3. That was our key buy level that looked potentially nice. And then you can see they reversed it hard and pushed it right back down. So let's watch and see here coming in on this new 5 minute candle here. Okay, you can see gold is pushing down, NASDAQ trying to push down as well. We're getting held in and around that range. Okay, nothing really happening so far. It's just indecision. All right, and we're going to take a look at that GBP USD. I'm waiting for GU, guys. Still continuing in that trend. $10 pops. Yeah, guys, 10 Pepsis. Yeah, Rob, I was saying too much selling pressure. DXY's just broken through. tapping that 102.250. Okay. Everything is starting in terms of commodities going bearish. Let's watch and see gold, guys. You want to check out oil real quick? You can see oil's coming. Look at that big mess on oil. I'm not looking to mess around, guys. It's been bullish. Okay, so not really going to mess around with anything to do with oil. We're still around that buyer's area. And there goes gold. Look at that big dump, guys. Right back to that daily. This thing drops. We're falling down to 1915, no doubt. If we hold here, we're walking right back up to 22.3. Okay, there it goes. About 3 minutes left on the candle. Dow, NASDAQ. Remember I told you gold just dumped, guys? Let me show you the sell here. You want to see how you make 800 bucks in literally 30 seconds? I can show you right now. And there goes NASDAQ. Watch Goldie. I told you if it broke here, guys, this thing is sinking. I'm going to share this gold sell with you. I took that impulsively. I didn't tell anyone. Watch here. Sharing on the free FX group right now. 3 lot. I told you if it broke the daily, guys, this thing is gone. I'm out. That's 800 bucks in under 30 seconds. Okay, and watch NASDAQ. Okay, you can see nice rejection here. Still sinking down on NAS. Okay, let's watch and see how we're going to get that tap here. 11,600. Okay, now watch Goldie here, guys. There's that big dump, and we're starting to get that reversal. Guys, let me tell you something here. That 3 lot I use, I don't normally do that. Okay, that is not something I normally do. All right, but I saw once the daily pressure came in and we started testing that, that's when I hit it. But that's not something I do all the time. Okay, and I didn't say I was doing it. That was just a personal trade for me. Hopefully you guys understand. All right, and I don't normally trade between 9 and 10 a.m. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, hopefully you guys understand. So NASDAQ dropped down below. Okay, everything is selling off here. GU dumped off too. All right, everything is selling right now. Scotty, hopefully you're still in that Dow. And look at gold here. Trade all day. This is not a dump, just a basic pullback for market to flat open. That single candle, though, that's maybe the terminology is a little different, but I agree with you. That, to me, that's a dump. That single candle, a 56 pip candle, a $5.60 move, to me is this like a dump. All right, again, terminology could be a little bit different than what we're both used to, but I agree with you that it just could be a short-term pullback. All right, so watch and see now, guys. Okay, and then there goes NASDAQ. Okay, so gold is making a move. Nasdaq is finding, okay, key level support right below, guys. There's that window. All right. Okay, if this breaks, guys, we're coming right back down to our demand. Okay, probably before market open, and then we're gonna have our bigger move here, guys. Let me quickly grab my dog here. He's been outside for about 30 minutes. I'll be back in 2 seconds, guys, and we're gonna chart up and do the US 30 leading into market open. Okay, so just monitor these, and we'll go from there. Okay, 2 seconds, guys. I will not be long, so don't leave. All right, so you can see we're still testing here, guys. Let's take a look at everything else. Let's take a look at that quick DXY. All indices are selling off. GU is selling off. We're bullish, guys. We're going to 102,300. Okay, no doubt. All right, gold is still selling off here. Nasdaq, we're going to watch the breakdown. Dow, and there goes gold. Okay, so big, big, big dump. Okay, members, you guys should, yeah, Ian, I was watching UCAD too. Members, you guys should be in USD CAD. There goes the oil drop. Okay. Some old trade. Remember what's going on with USD CAD, okay, guys? Just FYI. Goldie dumping, okay. And now we're going to focus all on indices, guys. Let's see if we can break this on NASDAQ. Bunga, we didn't trade oil. We didn't send anything. It was just something we watched. Just something we watched, bro. Okay. So here comes, guys. Here's 9:15. Watch the pullback happen. Okay. We're going to retest that 9 EMA. Okay, let's go take a peek at gold real quick here. Dow's still ranging. Dow looks like a flag pattern here. I don't like the way gold's set up right now. There's still a lot of buying volume in here. Okay, but there's still also a lot of selling volume. Okay, I have Bookmap on my other screen right now, and it's a critical battle right now. Okay, just letting you guys know. All right. Okay, and then I wanted to see GU, guys. Okay, so GU's finding some support. Okay. Okay, and let's watch and see GBP USD here. I just want to see if we're going to break and close above the 9 EMA. That's the most important thing I want to check out here. If not, this thing is still going to trend in the sell. Okay, so still testing here. Little to no volume, guys. Okay, Nasdaq's picking it up. Gold is starting to retest here. Okay. Okay, gold on the 1 minutes, guys, kind of form like an W pattern here. You can see, so on the ones, this is what we're looking at doing right now. Watch and see how we get up in the same level near that daily. Okay, watch and see that 1 minute on the daily here. Okay, this is still very strong. Gold is in now a previous daily target area. Okay, we're still in a sell trend on gold. Keep that in mind. Look at the ones. Okay. So we got about 918 here. I still think maybe gold is going to buy personally. So let's watch and see how, guys. I want to see this 9 EMA here. Okay. 9 is going to come right to our daily, which is our previous buying level here. Okay. So I want to see now if we're going to come up, tap, and get a close above here. That's my main focus for gold. And then it would be a buy position for me personally. Whether you guys want to understand and follow suit, it's up to you. If not, we're going to get rejected and start to fill these bottom wicks. Okay, so gold is at that critical level here. You can see we are over sold, looking for a price to maybe have its retracement final continuation. All right. And then let's check out the dirty 30. We haven't really done too much. And Nasdaq is still sinking down. Nasdaq's had no clean moves other than the break, guys, and for both directions here you can see it's very slow. There's a lot of spin top doji candle like candle closes, which this is not good trading volume. Okay, this is actually horrible trading volume. Okay, gold rejecting at the supply, which was once the min. GU is still getting rejected, guys. I think this thing is just going to flop. Okay, personally, you can see the volume. If you look on the 4 hour, remember we talked about this. GU can make it all the way probably back down to 1.12300. Okay. If that's the case, we got to watch right in these key level wicks right here. 23200's coming. Okay, what if this price, okay, it wants to continue? All right, we got to get 23200. We'll mark that up as well for GBP USD. Always watch 4 hours, guys, for any pairs. Okay, that's the key thing that I always remembered when I was taught. 4 hour for pairs, you can see it's starting to sell off just a bit. Okay, so if that's the case, guys, you can see we're right at these key levels here. If GU breaks, these are our key levels for TP. All right, and you can see we're right at that midpoint, fluctuating on that RSI. Okay, so 2300, 23200, critical levels on GBP for higher time frame 4 hour. Okay. So we'll go here. If it wants to drop. $4 hour. Okay. And then gold is doing the same thing. So give it some time here. Watch the pullback starting to happen. You can see the DXY is still pushing. Okay, and we're coming to just under 10 minutes, guys, until the market open. All right, NASDAQ is finding some support. They're not filling that gap. Okay, they're not breaking down. Okay, uno momento, guys. Okay, let's take a look at gold here too. US 30 still ranging. And what's going on with, see what's going on with gold. Okay, pushing back down, filling those bottom wicks, probably to 1916, 1915. We made it about 2 pips away, 3 pips away, okay, from hitting that 1915 level that I mentioned. If we drop past the daily, we're going to hit it. And you can see here we're crossing the below on the 200 EMA. And this is what we're working at right now, okay, on gold. On the 30-minute, you can see we're getting right on that wick support, which is previous level resistance. And that's why I said that 1915 level if we do continue. If this wick fills, guys, we're coming right back down to 1915, 1914. Okay, if we hold above that 200 EMA, okay, on the higher time frame, price can start to get back to that 1922. Okay, but it's looking pretty bearish as of right now, especially when they have that volume-based candle break that daily. But again, I'm not really looking to focus on gold too much. Okay, you can see NASDAQ and the Dow are pushing. And we're going to see this close of this candle and then watch that new candle open up. Okay, 2 seconds, guys. We'll see how we start this chart. What are you guys feeling like today? Do you guys want to watch NASDAQ? Okay, so take a look at this, guys. See how they're testing that 9? All right, coming right back up to that 11,625. What are you guys feeling like today? Do you guys want to watch NASDAQ or Dow? Okay, just take a peek at that DXY before I get all these comments in. It doesn't really matter either or, guys. Whatever one kind of works for us. But I'll take a look at this in 2 seconds. Okay, GU finding some support. Gold, Dow, everything is starting to find some support here, guys. If we close above this 9 EMA right here, okay, right at that daily, all right, that they're pushing it right back up in that demand. This thing can start to shoot back up. We have a tall wick coming in, all right. Remember on the 30-minute though, okay. Remember on that 30-minute, we cracked the 200 EMA. So again, we're right at that resistance level, okay. So I'm going to take a look at everything else here. I do want to quickly set some alarm right here. Okay, and if we cross this 9, like I said, this looks like a beautiful buying opportunity, something that I would take. Okay, you can see close above. If not, it's going to reject here, and we're going to make a new low, breaking this level structure at that 1915 level. Okay. There goes everything. NASDAQ and Dow. Big push. Okay, if we break above here, guys, remember we still had that target, 11,660. Remember that? Okay, that's still making a new high. I'm sorry. Okay, there it goes. Let's watch this thing play out here, okay? So go to the Dow real quick, US 30. So there's going to be an immense amount of volume being pumped in right now, guys, okay? Please remember that. Okay. Heavy resistance coming in off the Dow. I'm going to mark that up as a key level here. Okay, so watch and see Dow. This thing is bullish. As of right now, same with NASDAQ. Okay. I'm going to erase some of these levels here. Don't really need them all on. Mark up a couple key levels. Okay. And we got about 3 minutes left here. Gold's hitting the 9. Mentioned to you, just watch. Okay, so we got 11625.3. Okay, 11625, same level. Okay. So we're going to watch and see how this market open pumps up. We're going to watch and see how the Dow, what time is it now, guys? We got about a minute and 30 left. Watch the top of 33,500. Okay, it's got a lot of big potential move to get there. That is still a nice bull flag coming in here. All right, so let's mark up these rules. I won't be trading the first 5-minute candle. Okay, guys, so don't over leverage. Oh, leverage. Okay, don't over leverage. LEV. ER. Okay, don't over leverage. Use proper risk. Okay. Wait 5-10 minutes for the market to open. Okay, and then if you're new, don't trade the first 5-minute candle. Okay. There's going to be a lot of volume pumping in right at this time. Okay, so please remember that. It's pretty straightforward. Okay. Gold got rejected at the 9. Let's watch and see what we got going on here coming at the Dow. Eight seconds, guys. So I'm not trading this candle, just to let you guys know. Hey, big rejection. Right at the same candle before. Watch NASDAQ. NASDAQ bleeded right into our supply. Watch that same level, 11,625. Okay. Look at the dirty. Big breakdown. Okay, 33445. Big resistance right off the bat. Okay. Let's watch NASDAQ see. If we close below that 9 EMA, that key level original sell would be pretty nice, filling that bottom gap. Okay, there it goes. As much as I want to get in this, normally I would, but right now I'm sitting on my hands. Okay. Scotty, you did. Look at that level that was printed up there, though. Big sells coming in. Okay, there it goes, guys. Beautiful move. Scotty, thank you so much for updating on the Dow, bro. Really appreciate that. Okay, see how everything is selling off. NASDAQ as well. Okay, NASDAQ is a little slower than the Dow, but if this thing closes below on NASDAQ, this thing looks like a beautiful sell. Okay, it does. Like very, very nice. There it goes. Filling that wick and filling that gap. Here it goes, guys. Let's see. They're just starting to fill that gap now. Remember, guys, there, yeah, Scotty also was just about to say. Say bye-bye to the Dow, guys. Right back at the 200 EMA. NASDAQ is going to follow suit right now back into demand. Watch and see here. Give it a little bit of time. Let's see if we can get back into that zone. Okay. So still the first 5 minutes, you can see the impulsive moves, guys. Look at how crazy and volatile these market movements can be, especially if you're not used to this, okay? Especially if you're not used to this. So take a peek. Let's look at gold real quick. Gold is getting ready. It's getting primed up, okay? Look at this move coming in about 2 minutes, okay? Look at the Dow, NASDAQ, German 30, GU finding some support here. And I wanted to see this DXY, okay? So here we go. Here's the test on the 1022. Look at how they're coming right to the exact bullish target line that we mentioned. So if they break through here, guys, we're probably going to fall back to at least 102.15. Find some support here. Okay, so right in this level before having our next big move. Okay. There goes NASDAQ here. So right off the bat, let's just move this over so it's not confusing to everyone. Okay. And then you can see the Dow. Okay, and we got about 1 minute left here, guys. Then I'm going to be looking to trade to see if we can spot anything. If not, then we're just going to call it a day at around 10:15. Okay, NASDAQ and the Dow are complete opposites, guys. Are the complete opposites of what's going on here. Dow's right at that 200. NASDAQ is right at that level too. Okay, so I'm watching this 22-second close here right on NASDAQ. There it goes, guys. Let's see if we can get in on this. Here it goes. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to start to look, guys. I'm not touching anything right now. Let these candles play out here. They're still bullish. Okay. The Dow is also going to probably push. Let it do its thing here. I'm not in anything. Look at the Dow right around that 200 EMA. Okay. Let NASDAQ do its thing. And we're tapping that overall, okay, 11660, okay. There it goes, making that new high. So nothing closed below for this to happen. Remember, we're there, 930, 935, nothing even came close. That was originally up there, and we're almost at that level, guys. I'm still not a big believer in these moves, so I'm going to let the volume go through. Okay, I'm not going to enter in anything right now. You can see the Dow is still selling off. Gold still selling off as well. Nothing, all sells. Okay. Let's see if NASDAQ is going to be a opportunity here to take advantage of on this 3-minute close. It's very bullish right now, guys. You can see by the impulsive pushes and pulls, but that heavy supply zone is still hitting true. Okay, at 11,660 we made a new high, and then it got rejected hard. Okay, so I'm still not pressing anything. I don't like this movement here. The Dow was obviously the best, but we didn't trade during that open. Okay, and you can see right around that 200 EMA. And NASDAQ is still strong, guys. Let it do its thing here. As much as I want to get involved right now, the buys coming above here to the daily wick, like we talked about, to the left, very possible. Okay, they're making a new high right now, so you can see 11,680. Okay, and Dow here good. Still breaking down. Okay. Oil, gold. Let's erase some of this stuff here, guys. Too much. 15 minutes okay to erase. Okay, 90 EMA is good. This is looking good. Okay, so if we break that, guys, like I said, it's probably going at 11,680. If not, this is going to turn into a big M pattern here. Little divergent play is showing. Okay, so if they break there, there's a lot of volume. There it goes. Let's see. Coming in. Filling the daily. Okay, and you can see there's the push. Big continuations here. I'm still a little iffy on it. Let it go. Let's watch the Dow here, starting to pick up some volume. I'm not touching anything, guys, until we get to that 945. Okay, there goes. There goes NASDAQ. Okay, right to the daily. And if we talk about this, look at the 15. Right over here, the daily wick. Okay, big continuation, breaking through supply, filling the wick, and then making a new higher high based on the 15. Okay. Okay, 3 minutes left, guys. Then I'm going to be looking for some opportunities here. Okay, There's the rejection. I'm not buying at the high. Okay, Dow is rejecting. Okay, so I'm walking to follow NASDAQ maybe in that downtrend here, okay? So I retested the overall trend. It was once over here. Here's the bullish breakout. Okay, they retested it, and you can see what happened. Okay, heavy rejection, and now they're finding some level of support here too. Right at that 33280. Okay, Goldie's selling off. We're coming to that 1815. Sorry, 1915. I want to see what's going on with Dow and NASDAQ here. Okay, guys, so about 2 minutes left, and we're coming to fill that wick, okay? If we break above this wick, guys, like I said, let's look at the hourly so you guys understand. That wick is a heavy resistance. Look at the volume stepping in here. Remember we talked about a cup and handle, right? Here's the handle, here's the cup, and this is the potential breakout to 11,800. If we get that push, this thing is fucking skyrocketing, okay? You might see a short-term pullback, all right? But 11,000, like there's 11,700, okay? But 11,800 is previous structure, and that's a big move, guys. So that's quite a far distance away, okay? And you find that on the 4-hour. All right, you can see 4-hour resistance right before all that big sell-off happened. That's 11,008, okay? So give me 2 seconds here. We're going to see how price is going to react coming in at this level. All right, here's a minute left. Let's watch the candle close. And we're going to see the new one open up, okay? This is a strong freaking trend, guys. Okay, in 36 seconds here. And let's go take a peek at the Dow right before it closes. And this is the time I'm going to start to look for trades, guys. Okay, Dow is still getting held up at that 200 EMA. Gold tanked off here, coming right back down, making a new low, okay? So broke that wick, and now we're at that 1915, 1914. Look at the 9 EMA, still holding the resistance, pushing price back down, okay? Nothing really having its continuations other than just following the overall downtrend, okay? And here we go. Give me 2 seconds, guys. We're going to see if we can find something. Let's see 11,660. There goes the trend. It's still continuing. This is perfect, guys. Okay, and we're coming right back up. All right, let it do its thing. Okay, and here we go. So previous resistance, guys, check it out. Let's watch and see. Anyone past FTMO? I need some tips for negative 5% drawdown. Set your trades to 2% drawdown max daily. That way it resets within 24 hours. That's what I would suggest to you. Guys, I don't really watch gold too much during New York Open. We just kind of view it, but like I told you, it is dumping off. Okay, I'm looking for more NASDAQ. And Dow is looking to flip bullish too. You can see that we're starting to find that support. Okay, and let's see here if we can get a buy on this Dow. Let's watch. Okay, so we see the Dow level critical point coming in. Okay, so there it goes. Let's see if we can get that big push right back up to that overall 33445. Okay, I'm not taking that personally. I just want to see the critical level before we have our move. I'm looking for more NASDAQ. There it goes, guys. There's the big breakout. Okay, and remember, if I told you breaking the wicks, still continuing, coming to 11,700. Okay, and probably 11,750 coming in. Okay, so let it go. Big volume buys, making new higher highs. Okay, there we go on NAS. The Dow here, nice rejection coming in. Okay, guys, so let's take a peek here. I didn't buy NASDAQ. I didn't buy anything, guys. If you want to know the truth, I'm up 1K for the day, so that's why I'm not really looking to do anything. Not really messing around with this shit at all. And if you want to see it, I can share it with you, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I went 8 for 8 today. Okay, there goes gold finding some support. And there goes the Dow here. Okay, so SP is pushing. Let's see how SPY and QQQ are going. Let's see, the Dow here is still selling. Okay. And then NASDAQ. Okay. All right. So guys, give it a couple seconds here. We're going to watch and see price. I want to see what's going to happen with the Dow. I want to see if we're going to get back up to that above 33400. Okay. If that's the case, price can push. All right. Looking for this opportunity buy coming in maybe to 3445. All right. This looks pretty promising in terms of some buying power here. I just want to make sure that the candle opens up with some volume. Okay, and this would be the opportunity right in here. I want to see if we're going to make a new higher high on the Dow. Okay, so don't enter in just yet. Give us some time. We'll follow structure right here to the left. And we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation. Don't just randomly buy, guys. We got to get a test of that wick. Okay. NASDAQ is flying like Michael Jordan. Okay. Dow looks good. See if we can get that continuation. Okay, so it made a new high on the wick, guys. Let's see this 3 minute and 40 seconds how it's going to push. Okay, there we go. Gold pump, I have no idea, guys. Not even looking at gold right now. Okay, guys, by any chance, did anyone get into that buy making the new higher high? I did. Smaller lot size, and I'm running about 20 bucks. Okay, I'm looking for it to get right back to that critical level. Okay, I'm happy with 20 bucks personally. Okay, so let's see how the next level is going to hit at that 33445. It went 20 lots. Oh my god, you guys are savage, yo. Oh. We're buying into some selling area. Just remember that. Okay, we're buying into some selling area. Just remember that. Just remember. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. There it goes. Okay, so watch 33445, guys. Okay, watch this thing. If this thing breaks this resistance, this thing is gonna fly, guys. Like I'm telling you, this thing is gonna fly. If it gets rejected on the new candle, okay, look at the previous rejection. Okay, this thing has a lot of potential for both opportunities. Okay, Nas TP, guys. I wasn't really watching Nas after it fucking broke out. It's hitting 3750. Okay, so here's the thing. We missed Nasdaq. Okay, I was sitting with my thumb up my ass by accident, not getting into the trade properly. Okay, we should have got into that trade for real. We should have. But again, that's the beautiful thing about watching two. If you miss one, you can find another one. Okay, that's the beautiful thing about trading. Okay, look at the Dow here. I took 20 pips on that trade. Okay, and it was just a basic break of structure. Listen, we have now 1 minute left. Okay, 1 minute left. That's a key resistance area. I suggest you secure maybe 50 to 75%, because if they open this thing up and smash this down, okay, you don't want to be left with your pants like hanging down. Okay, secure some of this at least. All right. If it goes and breaks, this thing is going to, like my man Scotty on the Zoom said, 33,500. Which, where is that? Right in here. This is the next leg up. So watch. We'll watch and see. Goldie's right back up here, guys. Look at this. Okay, so right back up to our daily. All right, I'm not taking anything anymore. I'm personally done. Okay, but look at gold. It's right back there, 1922, 300. And it's at that same level buying area that we were once before at. Okay. So here's the new candle on the Dow. Scotty at 1.2. I'm with you, buddy. Can you buy the Dow? You missed the 9 crossover. So if you guys are looking to chase this trade, just be prepared if it does reject and push back down, not to, be kind of surprised, I guess you could say. All right. Nasties keep flying, guys. Like I said, this thing is bullish. If you guys missed a trade, just don't chase for real. Like, that's just something I hope you guys can adapt. And you know what? We could have hammered this right off the bat. Okay, but look at how long we waited here. 5, 10, 15, 20. After 20 minutes, then we took our first trade. Okay? All right, and take a look at this, guys. Remember we talked about the selling pressure? They're there. But as soon as this volume steps up, right, you can see it probably tapped that 33445. Okay, and again, remember I told you guys there was sells in here. Watch the retest now at the 9. Mark, so you guys understand that no longer in this. Okay, so remember you guys asking me, can I buy? Can I buy? Can I buy right now? I said don't chase, and hopefully you guys understand why not to chase. Okay, this is why you don't chase. All right, see the heavy sells coming in here now. I did say we're buying into selling pressure on the Dow. All right, so watch and see this 2 minutes and 30-second close. All right, this thing is primed up for sells right now. Okay, I'm telling you right now, Nasdaq and Dow, they're priming up for some sells. Okay, that impulsive move was very nice. I think a lot of people got it. All right, but again, the overall move was selling power, and that thing was about a 50 pip candle based on about 3/4 of it. All right, so just watch and see how this 10 a.m. candle is going to close. I want to see Nasdaq coming in here. Okay, 11682. Let's see what we got here. Okay, rated that daily. Oh, sorry, I want that back. We're going to watch and see that critical level right there, 11,715. Okay, this is strong, guys. Like I said, I have been wrong before. Absolutely. We all are. Anyone who says they're 100% right, or I don't know, I want what drugs they're smoking, because that ain't going to happen. Watch and see the retest at that level here, okay? And there's the Dow. Retesting that 9 EMA. Okay, watch and see the volume coming in here. Let's go take a peek one time at gold too. Gold fucking rejected again. Look at the daily, guys. Okay, so we're not looking at gold. We were just viewing it. Okay, but take a look. See how they broke that heavy sell on the daily? Look what happens now when they retest it again. Another shit ton of pending orders selling. Okay, right here. Previous structure sells happen yet again. Okay, so watch and see gold probably dropping down even further. Look at the Dow. Okay, so see how they're opening it up. Let's watch Nasdaq. See Nasdaq spinning top to finish it off. Same with the Dow. Okay, no volume. Here it goes. Let's see if we can break 33445. Okay, let's see if we can test that level one more time. Okay. Here it goes, guys. This thing breaks going to 33,500. This is a heavy sell zone, though. Just keep that in mind. This is a heavy, heavy sell zone. This is the part that led that big bearish breakdown on market open. Nasdaq is still making higher highs. I'm not messing with Nasdaq. This thing is buying right now, okay? And you can see what's going on with the Dow. If we can make a high, okay, that's the high we're looking for. If not, this is the sell structure that we're looking for here. Okay, so I'm gonna stay till about 10:15. Okay, I want to see how this first 5-minute candle closes. Then we see the next 10 minutes. Okay, so guys, stay with me here. Let's watch and see. And then we got a session right after this in our private Zoom room. Okay. The Nasdaq, guys, is still bullish. I don't really want to mess with Nasdaq at these highs. Okay. I really, really don't. If you guys can understand why, like I said, I have my sell structure coming in here. All right. You have 11,715. Okay. You have 11,730 getting ready to possibly do it. But this thing is still bullish, guys. I'd rather catch maybe a buy on US 30. You can see GU made a nice little retracement here, but GU was kind of a slug all day. Okay. So let's see if US 30 is going to follow suit. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so here's the profit taking, guys. Okay, and you can see the heavy resistance here coming in again. So multiple wicks. Okay, look at this right here. Look at this wick. Okay, and then you have another rejection wick closing, and then you have one more. Look at the previous level sell. Okay, so just monitor this accordingly. I told you guys this is where sell time is coming in, even if they make an impulsive move coming in. All right. Goldie's making lows, guys. Remember I told you it's going to make that low below 1913. Okay. And it's still doing it, no problem. Dow, NASDAQ, here it goes. And then there's the Dow here. See what I mean? Okay. So critical Dow level selling area in here. Let's watch this in. Guys, so for the rest of the day, in case we range in around these levels, remember 33445. Okay? That's one thing you want to keep in mind. Okay? And you can see what's happening here. Starting to get tested around that 9 EMA. Once we close below here, guys, I want to see if we're going to break this structure at that 33360. Okay? Here's the new candle. Let's watch and see. Okay? Let it do its thing. There we go, guys. Okay, so beautiful selling area. Here we go. Goldie made a new low. Just gonna update that real quick. If we break down here, guys, this is gold broke down, guys. Told you, gold broke down to 1913, and it's still dumping down. Personally, I would rather look at the Dow and look at NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ here coming in. Okay, watch 11,715. Okay, so here's the thing. This bullish trend, okay, is clearly telling us something here. All right, that there's just a shit ton of buyers. All right, and they're riding this up. There's no profit taking yet. They're starting to right now. Once we break this level here, okay, this 9 EMA is going to be the triggering factor for me, because I've seen price push down, break, okay, 9 holds it, and they make a new high. All right, so let's just watch and see here. This is just the first 5-minute close. This is still the second candle opening up. All right, you can see for both, they're still in decision. All right, nothing is broken down and had any clean continuations just yet. All right. So let's watch nasty here. Let's go take a quick peek at the 4-hour, guys. Look at the 4-hour here. See, you guys want to sell on this candle. If we get a close below here, maybe, but look at the volume still above it. We're still fluctuating in nice buys. I think 11,800 would not be out of the question in the next few days. Okay. And then there's the Dow here still holding. Should see how price is going to move. All right. Nothing closed below 33365 just yet. Okay, so be very patient on how these are going to move. Look at gold making 1913, just tapped. Okay, making that new low. Let it do its thing here. We're going to set up some key level ideas on gold, guys. I'm going to erase this entire freaking chart. Okay. Okay, so gold is still holding here. And we're going to watch and see how gold is going to move over the next 7 minutes into that 10:15. 1907 has the ability to, guys, for sure, no doubt in my mind. There goes US 30. Okay, nothing breaking below. And NASDAQ is probably, I'm assuming, following the suit here. Yeah, still some buyers stepping in here in about a minute. Okay, again, pushing back down. It's rate indecision, guys. If we go look, we're right at that 50 line in the RSI. I'd rather price get away from it. If we hold this support, you can see it's holding the 9 EMA. Okay. Buyers are getting wrecked on gold and GU. For sure. GU, guys, was nothing. Didn't mention that the sellers were still in control. Gold buy, the only one we took was out of that demand. And then the thing shitstorm below the daily. All right. Here's the new candle, guys. Let's see how this is going to go. Okay. This is the 1010. And it's looking like it's still holding that 9 EMA. All right. About to test maybe that 33445 again. There's a little bit doji candle here. Not too much in terms of volume. Okay. The volume obviously happened prior. So let's see how NASDAQ is making it, still trying to hold above. Okay, the Dow is probably going to push. I like the Dow buy here, guys, personally. Okay, but again, it's risky because that 33445 is a heavy sell zone. Okay, I could see price push past here. All right, and then at maybe tap 33450, 33460, you know, 33500, and then have its overall potential reversal then. Okay, so let's watch and see the first 15-minute candle. There it goes. When we talked about this, let's see if we can break it to get to 33,500. Three, 3, 4, 8, 1, guys. I took a small little buy here. Okay, we're gonna see very, very, very small lot size, smallest you could do. Let's see how this goes. See if we can tap that 33500. So we made a new high. Okay, Take a look at the high though. There it goes. Look at the volume. Okay, still holding. Nothing closing below. And the volume is still very strong. Okay, there it goes, guys. Did anyone get on this? There it goes. There it goes. Some people maybe sat back and wanted to see what's going to happen to it. You know, it's at that key level selling area, but I said watch it push past. Watch it push past, and then we're going to see if we're going to come back down and retest it. That's exactly what happened with NASDAQ. Okay. There it goes. Let's see if we can tap, guys, and that'll be the end of the call. Friggin' half a pipette, guys, away. Okay, so guys, listen. All right, Scotty, guys, bro, I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to Rob Mack. I want to say thank you to Shahab. Okay, guys, Shahab does all of our trades. Okay, you know what I mean. He helps us out with this and stuff like that. So hopefully everyone had the meeting why we're breaking through here. Okay, look at the volume-based candle. Okay, that was really nice, guys. That was a volume-based candle tapping 33500. All right. So again, why did this happen? Okay, you see the big sell-off here. Look at the demand zone. We've started to find some support in. Look at the overall 200 EMA. Okay, finding some support here. See how we crossed above that 9 EMA. All right, I took profit on this first initial impulse candle. The second candle, again, took profit. All right. And guys, check out the free FX group. Like I said, you want to see gold sells, you want to see gold buys, I can send you Dow. Don't matter to me. I can send you the entire list. Doesn't matter. Okay. Make sure you move your stop loss to break even if you guys want to. This thing has the potential to fly. Okay. There's a lot of volume here. All right. A lot of volume for the continuations. Okay. So, guys, listen. I hope everyone had a good call. Today was Monday. It was really no volume. There's no news. There's no nothing. Okay. This was just normal trading volume, which I personally like. I love this type of volume. When news kicks in and stuff like that, manipulation happens, it's not always fun. People who are new, they don't understand what's going on. It's not fun for them. They get really discouraged by it. But when days like this happen, you know what I mean? It makes it a little bit easier for price to get hit, for us to manage and watch how price action moves, and to see how we can utilize some indicators in here as well with moving averages, RSI, different things like that. Because if we look at the 9 EMA, look at how correlated it is with the RSI. Now, I'm not a huge RSI trader, but see how we broke above the 50 and held support? Look at how we broke above the 9 and held support, and we walked our way up. Okay? Guys, so I'm going to do this for 2 seconds. If you want to join the team, like I said, you guys can head over to stocksnipertrading.com. Okay? You can scroll down, check out our plans, okay, what you want to do, 3612. All right, you can join our free Discord server here. We're working with a free FX Discord and also Telegram right now. Eventually, when we make an announcement in the next week, you'll be just possibly fully Discord, but we'll let you know, okay? This is our schedule, guys, okay? So you can see here, I haven't updated it, but we're doing 5 Londons, 5 New Yorks, 4 Tokyos, okay? Sorry, I think it's like 2 post New York and then 2 Tokyos, and then we're doing 3 trading webinars, okay? And then obviously we do 3 to 5 trade ideas per day for setups, all right? And if you have any questions, guys, make sure to get in touch with us here. Give us 12 to 24 hours to respond, please. One time I got off the call, it was like last week, I had like 64 emails, all right? It takes us a little bit of time to get through everyone, okay? So please understand that, all right? Shahab, I want to say thank you, bro, for being online. I really appreciate it, helping everyone on YouTube, okay? But members and everyone, you can see that 33,500 was tapped. Please, please, please secure when you want, move your stop loss to break even, and leave a runner. All right, guys, have a good day. We will resume same time, same channel tomorrow. God bless you all. Really appreciate it. Tomorrow we have some good news, okay? Tomorrow we actually have some good news coming in. 9:45 we have USD, so 15 minutes post New York open will be nice. Then we have some 10 a.m. as well. So the bottom of the call, tomorrow's call will be second half heavy. London session for our guys. You guys are going to have some fun. All right. Okay, guys. Well, have a good day. God bless, and we will see you tomorrow, guys. Please don't over leverage any trades. If you guys are ending on a positive percent, please walk away and enjoy the day. Go spend time with your family and friends, or get back to work if you guys are dipping on work. All right. So peace out. Later. God bless. Love you all. Bye, guys. Hey guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell. Okay, I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HMC Greece, compliant with ESMA. EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.